2x squared. What is g of f of negative 4? All right, and again, another way of writing that, they could also put it this way, they wouldn't have had the parentheses on the outside. They would have g of f of negative 4. That's another way they could write this. It means the same thing. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to plug negative 4 into f, and then whatever value we get, we're going to plug that into g. So we come over here to the f, and we're going to substitute in negative 4. So f of negative 4, because that's what the center says to do first, is going to be equal to 3 times negative 4 plus 2. Doing a little simple math here, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, and then we add 2. And so we find out that f of negative 4 is actually equal to negative 10 when we add the 2 to that. So now that we know that f of negative 4 is 10, what we do is we come over to g, and we're going to substitute in negative 10 here. So we'll say g of negative 10 is going to equal 2 times negative 10 quantity squared. Now, what's imperative that we do here is PEMDAS. We need to square this first before multiplying. So negative 10 times negative 10 is positive 100. So we'd have 2 times 100, because the negative and the negative cancel. And 2 times 100 is obviously 200. So that means g of f of negative 4 equals 200. And that would be our answer. Now, again, how I wrote it here is I did not write g of negative 10, but negative 10 was the same thing as f of negative 4. So this f of negative 4 was equal to negative 10, and it was negative 10 because of plugging in negative 4 into f. So that's how it works. Now, if it would have said f of g or fog, we would have taken the negative 4 and first plugged it in to g and then plugged it into f. So this just tells me the order. We plugged this into the closest letter. We plugged it into f, and then we got the value, plugged that into g.